Search Register. SIM card Globe. This is the website for Globe registration. Here are the steps. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and click the Register button. You'll receive a one-time PIN OTP text message on your mobile phone. Enter the 6-digit OTP on the registration website. Enter all required fields like name, birthday, gender, address, and nationality. Take a selfie and select the type of government ID to be uploaded. Click the Attach button to upload a copy of your valid government ID. Tick the checkbox to agree. Click Submit button to finish the registration process. A reference number will appear on your screen to signify the completion of registration. Let's try to register.